Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about diving into Xero, this powerful accounting software that's taking the business world by storm. But here's the burning question. Can you actually learn Xero for free? And more importantly, should you even try? Now, we all know that learning valuable skills can sometimes come with a price tag. Whether it's online courses, certifications, or even in-person training, investing in your education is often seen as a necessary step. But what if I told you there are legitimate ways to get a solid grasp of Xero without breaking the bank? In this video, we're going to explore the different avenues for free Xero learning. We'll delve into the pros and cons of each option, and ultimately help you decide if a free learning approach is the right fit for you and your business goals. Dive into free learning options. 1. Xero's official resources. Xero Help Center. This is your go-to for all things Xero. It's packed with articles, guides, and FAQs covering every aspect of the software. You can find step-by-step instructions, troubleshooting tips, and even video tutorials. Xero YouTube channel. Xero itself has a dedicated YouTube channel with tons of helpful videos. These range from beginner-friendly overviews to more advanced topics like inventory management and payroll processing. Xero Community. Connect with other Xero users in the official community forums. Ask questions, share tips, and learn from the collective knowledge of experienced users. 2. Free online courses and tutorials. Platforms like YouTube and Skillshare. You'll find a treasure trove of free Xero tutorials on platforms like YouTube. Many independent creators and even some accounting firms offer valuable insights and practical guidance. Educational websites. Websites like Udemy and Coursera often offer free introductory courses or limited previews of their paid courses. These can provide a good foundation and help you decide if Xero is the right tool for your business. 3. Free trials and demos. Xero's free trial. Sign up for Xero's free trial to get hands-on experience with the software. This allows you to explore the interface, test key features, and see how Xero can work for your specific business needs. Guided demos. Many Xero partners offer free online demos or even in-person demonstrations. These can provide valuable insights into Xero's functionality and how it can solve your accounting challenges. Discuss the pros and cons of free learning. Pros. Cost-effective. Obviously, the biggest advantage is the financial savings. Free learning options can be a great way to get started without any upfront investment. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Access to a wealth of resources. There's a vast amount of free Xero content available online, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Cons. Limited depth. Free resources may not cover advanced topics or provide in-depth training. Lack of structure. Learning from scattered resources can be less structured and may lack a clear learning path. Limited support. You may have limited access to personalized support or guidance. When is free learning a good option? Beginners. If you're just starting your Xero journey and want to get a basic understanding, free resources can be a great starting point. Budget-conscious businesses. For small businesses or startups with limited budgets, free learning can be a valuable way to develop basic Xero skills. Self-motivated learners. Free learning requires self-discipline and motivation. If you're a self-starter who can stay focused and consistent, free resources can be highly effective. When to consider paid options. In-depth training. If you need comprehensive training on advanced Xero features or specific industry applications, consider investing in paid courses or certifications. Personalized support. If you need personalized guidance and support, consider working with a certified Xero advisor or enrolling in a structured training program. Faster learning. Paid courses often provide a structured learning path and can help you learn Xero faster and more efficiently. So, can you learn Xero for free? Absolutely. There are plenty of valuable free resources available to help you get started. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and decide if a free learning approach is the right fit for your specific needs and learning style. If you're looking for a deeper dive into Xero and require more comprehensive training, consider exploring paid options like online courses, certifications, or working with a Xero advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.